Go on then, I just keep finding these deals. Look at this, 18-inch box. £19.80. So you get 2 beef burgers, well, cheeseburgers? Yeah, 2 cheeseburgers, chips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 onion rings, a good portion of doner, portion of chicken tikka, 7-inch margarita, 2 dips, and a bowl of salad. £19.80 on website. Don't know how much it is in the shop. Pizza Mozza in Rotherham. £19.80. Woo! Let's get in a bit of this doner. Beautiful. Proper chicken kebab meat that you used to get. What a bargain, man. What a bargain. Perfect for 2 people, that. £19.80. Bigger than me head.